Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I guess we're gonna do some struts on these. We got these. I guess it's another advanced spectrum deal. Like only 11 bucks for fully loaded struts for this 2010 CRV. So I guess we're just gonna get into it and start taking stuff apart. Oh yeah, we got a tripod, so we'll see if that helps with how it comes out. Looks like we gotta bring you guys over a little closer. Something like that, I guess. Looks like we gotta take out the little. Make sure your wipers are up because it kind of binds it trying to pull the clip and put the little plastic piece back in. So if it helps, over here. Let's just bring you guys all the way over here so you can see what we're working on. Might be a little close, I don't know. Trying to get used to this tripod thing. Never used one. Okay, so there's a little cutout. You can stick a screwdriver around it. It comes off that easy, I guess. Maybe not so easy. Guess we got 5 bolts and stuff. Just pull it. A lot of stuff builds up in here, guys. Like a bunch of junk. Alright. Just throw a jack stand under there. Safety, I guess. That's what you're supposed to do first, huh? 19 on the gun. Pull the wheel off first. So it looks like it's some 10s together. Let's just pull the other one so I can show you. Alright. Alright guys, so it looks like a 10 here to pull the brake line off. You got a little rubber seat thing to go here, and then it looks like right here we got like a clip, so we're gonna need a 10 for this, I think, and a clip tool to get this off. Clip tool. That's the one I use. So it's a 10 or 12, my bad, 12 to get the brake line off. Alright guys, 17 to get the sway bar link off of the strut. Alright guys, I'm just gonna bring you around here. So see if this gets any better. Okay, so you might be better over here. Alright, so that's where we're at. It's a 6 mil Allen 17 to get that off. So let's see how this is gonna work. Okay. Oh, great. Great, just stripped it out. Was working, guys, because things kind of... Let's just get a ratchet. So, obviously, using the gun was probably not the greatest idea, so now we're just going to try to manually do it. I think it's going. I might be wrong, but oh wow. Okay guys, so you probably want to use like a wire wheel or something on there. Clean up the threads. One battery, huh? Let's just turn it a little more, guys, to get all the threads clean. Alright, hopefully that works. Let's just see. Alright guys, so 14. I'm using a little extension to get it past the wiper. So they're all 14s. There's 5 of them. So just so you know. Okay guys. Maybe I should be on the camera. So we got them out, but one needed a magnet. Couldn't get my fat fingers in there. So hey, it's out though now. Okay guys, so what's up? So sway bar link 17, 6 mil on the Allen. If it's rusty a little bit like this, I'd recommend not using the gun, just manually do it. And then we got over here, this right here for brake line 12. You got these little, so a little fitting that goes into here, and then got clipped into there. So that's that. Let's try to back you guys up just a little bit again. So next we need to take off these, or at least break them loose. See this hammer. Do not hit the threads, guys. So maybe we'll deal with that a little bit later. Maybe when we pull the strut off, it'll want to come out easier. So let's do that. Okay. All right, guys. Whoop. Hey, come back. Is that 19? This is not 19, is it? All right, guys. Pull these ones. It's a 19 and a 22. So what you need. Which I'm not gonna pull the bolts until after I take the top ones off, but that's just me. Those. Try not to lose your bolts. As you see, we're on like a wood floor with holes. May not be the brightest idea, but hey, we're just gonna get it done. Alright guys, so now you pull these and it should just come out, but we'll see. Maybe we gotta do some stuff. There we go. Oh, it's coming out. Alright, cool. Alright, one more. Wiggle, wiggle. Okay. Well, that just floats. That's crazy. So now maybe we need to use this. Try to do something here. It's kind of being a fighter. I'm just gonna lose everything. Okay, guys, this sway bar link just doesn't seem to like me. There we go. A little tappy tappy. It comes out. Alright. Whoa, going down. Alright, guys. So, if I get the light to do what I want it to. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, the strut's just blown out. So you drive down the street, like, it makes a weird noise. Kind of tink, 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 tink. So, that's what we're trying to fix today, guys. So, that one's done. We need this cap. Alright, here's the new one, guys. Like I said, we just got it at Advanced Auto because we live in Washington, so I guess the East Coast Advance is gonna be no more. So suppose these were like $2.90 each, and we got them for 11 bucks. So kind of hard to beat. Get it out of here. Flip it in. Don't hook any of the lines. And yeah, this will probably be easier with the extra person. There we go. Just gotta get one in, guys, just one. So it holds it. Alright. That's fine. I give up. We'll just get it together here as much as possible. Now, Okay guys, so alright, where we're at, sway-bar link don't want to go in, so now I think I need to put the car on the jack stand and move the other side and jack it up so that I can actually get the sway-bar link in. So here we go. Alright, let's see if that helps. Oh yeah. That's what you gotta do, guys. You just gotta have both sides, no pressure on the sway bar, because otherwise it's gonna fight you. Let's see if we can just kind of zip this in real quick. That's not 17. That's 17. Let's just see here, guys. Here we go. Okay, I'm not tightening it all the way down. I want to get all this back together first. And shit's gonna float. Now I get to lift this. That's a heavy one. Alright, that's real. Not fun. Not fun. Right, I need the bolts. Alright. Alright. Do not pinch your lines, guys. Just alright. So let's some light in the situation. So here's what we got. That's a sway bar link, 17, and a 6mm Allen there. We got this. We got to put back together. Trying to let you guys see. It's a 14 for the brake line. You just gotta kind of push these in. This be for your ABS line, and that's pretty much that. So I guess that's more or less it. Well, let's finish this here too. So let's get the light up here so you guys can see what's going on. All right, so you see the bolts. I kind of got one in, that's all we did. I got 5 bolts here to put in, so that's kind of what we're doing. So alright, so I don't know, should be a quick video, not sure, we'll see. I know you guys don't want to watch it again over on the other side, like just trying to get it done. So that was basically what you gotta do to put new struts on a 2010 CRV. I'm sure there's other Hondas that are the same. So I guess, like they say, like, comment, subscribe. All of it helps for our channel. Hey, doesn't cost anything either for you guys. That's kind of cool. Yeah, I guess that's about it. I'm just gonna finish up the car and just try to finish the video, and the battery wants to die. So I guess everybody have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one. I got a few other things to do. I got a few that I need to put up on here. Have a great weekend.